This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
It is January 3rd, 2019. This one here, I got a call from a lady. She says the pipes on top of her water heater are leaking onto the water heater, so we'll have to go by there and see what's going on with this. Might be one of them shit show installs. You know, some Joe homeowner tried to install a water heater for his mother or something. Things flipping, leaking all over the place. Who knows? But anyway, I'm on my way there now. It's warm out. It's probably 52 degrees out today. I mean, it's crazy warm. Miss Molly's only got one coat on today.
Turn left on Rockdale Avenue.
My buddy, Miss Molly, my buddy. You only got one sweater on today, Miss Molly. You only got one sweater on today. So it's dripping right from there. The tape wouldn't hold, huh?
No, that was just to hold it for now.
Yeah, it's all brass. Look at the old brass.
So that's all going to be taken out?
No, I ain't touching that. I mean, I'll fix this leak, but
Yeah, I'll have
that's
to
all
get...
brass. See, that's all brass.
Yeah.
That's what he's probably talking about. That's all brass pipe.
So
I mean, that shit can blow at any time.
Oh, no. Don't get me all nerved up. So I would have to get... Who would I have to get to fix that?
I might have a brass adapter. I could probably cut this and cut this. See how that's all white?
Yeah.
I could cut that and put a brass adapter in there. I mean, this piping is just all old. Look at it all.
Yeah, I know.
That's all brass.
I've been here almost 20 years.
Yeah, see, it's old brass. It's all threaded. I mean, I don't have time to cut all this stuff out. I could fix this leak.
Yeah.
I could probably fix that leak. What a shit show, huh?
I know.
Who did this? Who did this
I don't
mess?
know whoever owned the house.
Looks like your husband did it.
No.
No?
No. It was like that when we moved in.
He did this before he was on his walker.
No.
So what, you got one floor here or two floors? Just a single family house?
Yes. The other one with the furnace, remember?
Yeah, that thing sounds wonderful.
Yeah, but once in a while I hear a clicking sound. Not a hissing sound, a click, 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 click,
Yeah, I
click.
thought you were going to replace that, no?
Yeah, I am. How much would it cost for a new furnace?
Didn't I give you a price on changing that out?
Yeah.
Yeah, and what happened there? No good? I don't know, ma'am. Flipping shit show.
See what's dripping?
It's a flipping shit show. Well, I could probably put a male adapter, a female, and come up a couple of 45s and solder it up. I mean, that's it.
Okay.
Ain't gonna be nothing pretty as long as it don't leak.
Oh, I hope not. I don't want to blow up.
This thing sounds like the space shuttle taking off.
I know. Why does it make so much noise?
Well, it's because it's an old fan type.
Yeah. 'cause
I
this
told you
don't
the fan was all bearings are all rotted out.
Yeah, I know, but I haven't checked the filter or nothing. I think the last time you were here, 2014.
I think I put a new belt on it or something. You were supposed to replace it and you never did.
I did. I can't remember now.
4 years, it's still kicking. She's not sounding too promising, huh? Not sounding so well.
I know. It won't blow up, will it?
I don't know. I think you need to replace it.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean,
Or will it last for the winter?
no idea. Probably not. It don't sound too good.
Yeah, I know. Oh, God.
That's the problem, you know. You can't let this shit go like this. I mean, old magic chef. All right, well, let me see if I could get this thing fixed.
All right.
Hopefully the water shuts
You don't
off.
have any idea how much it would cost
For what?
for a furnace?
I gave you a price 4 years ago.
I can't remember. You know how long it's been?
Oh, man. I don't know. What a flipping shit show. All right, let me see what I can do here.
Okay. that out of the way.
Flipping shit show. We'll shut the main water off here. Flipping shit show. Alright guys, so I just cut that right there. The coupling, come over with an elbow on a street 45 up to another coupling. That's all I'm doing. I'm just gonna fix that leak. I mean, this thing is kind of, I don't know who installed it, but just trying to help this retired couple out. I mean, they ain't got no money. So I'm just doing that quick. I did drain the water heater. I do have it on pilot. I had to open up all the valves upstairs. If I can get that sorted up. She's got a lot of old piping in this place. I mean, retired, handicapped. I mean, ain't got no money. What do you do? Patch and match, mama. Patch and match. Do all kinds of work over here, don't get paid. Works.
What's up with that?
Well, I'm soldering down here, so that's a smoke alarm.
Yeah, I know.
At least we know it works.
Yeah. Oh, I just got nervous as to what's going on.
Well, I'm soldering down here, so it kind of makes a.
Oh, okay.
It makes a little heat, a little smoke.
Yeah, okay. At least I know it's working.
Yeah, that's what I said. Usually the batteries are out of them.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it is, because oh.
They'll stop. They'll stop
Yeah, I
in a
know.
minute.
I got paranoid, man. I was freaking out. Oh, God help
I'm burning your house down.
me. Don't do that.
Huh? See that little smoke? See that little smoke?
Yeah.
That's like Pocahontas there. Pocahontas running for president.
Yeah.
You know her? Pocahontas?
Yeah.
Senator, where's the smoke alarm?
Right here.
Yeah, watch out.
That's all right.
Yeah, you just kind of flicker it. See? No stop.
At least I know it works.
Yeah, you should change the batteries in that every so often.
Yeah.
So you got all the faucets off upstairs, right?
Yeah, I shut them off.
Oh, just old. Hopefully I got no leaks there. We'll find out. Flipping thing's going crazy. Yeah, finally shut off. What a flipping shit show, mama. Oh, yeah, next level. Shit show. The return on this thing, I mean, flipping crazy small. Hot, so we know we got water flow. Alright, you can go around and just open the faucets and make sure you get the air out of it, because I did shut it off and drain it.
Yeah.
Go along and just open up all the faucets, and once the water comes out and there's no more air, you can shut them off.
All right.
Just want to get the air out. You understand? Alright, so that's it. It's the best it's gonna get. There's a lot of other shit that's going on in this house. A lot of spots all over the place that are scary. A lot of lead piping in this house. Look at that there. I mean, all over the place. Everywhere. So, that shit all needs to be replaced, but not today. Pick up my stuff and get out of here. I gotta turn this back on. Unbelievable. They should use that flex tape stuff. They say that stuff works, the flex tape. I'll have to tell her. What a shit show. 17-inch wide furnace right into the chimney. It's 51 with no blocks. I'll have to run another return line or something. Look at that for a return. Oh, it's tiny. 12 by 8. 12 by 8 for a return. That's flipping. That's a joke. We'd have to put another return in somewhere.
I let all the air out.
Okay, yeah.
I didn't flush the toilet stuff.
Okay. No, because that should have filled up by them. So everything's working okay?
Yeah.
All right. See, that's the cold water main. It's all half-inch brass.
Wow.
All the way. Let's see what else we got here, and that goes the. Let's see. That brass. Look at this. They tapped right into the brass. I mean, just a shit show. This is brass here, all threaded. That's shut off. And I wonder what that goes upstairs there. That goes upstairs, all brass upstairs there too. Look at that. And then the cold comes in here. This is all copper. So that's all brass, that's all hot. This brass goes all the way upstairs.
Really?
Wow, yeah. I mean, you got it everywhere in this house. There's the cold water main coming in. Cold water coming in here. All right, and then the cold goes over there. So this is the hot. This is all the hot. The brass is on all the hot water line. And that goes all the way over and up. Is there a bathroom on the front of the house there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you got brass everywhere. A lot of, see, it goes the whole length of the house, and then it goes up that stack there in the wall. Not good. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
You just change in one piece. I mean, this all should be taken out. All this brass all the way down. And it goes up in the wall here. Was there a bathroom in the front there?
Upstairs.
Yeah.
And there's the bathroom down here.
On this end of the house?
No, that goes upstairs.
Yeah, that's all brass. That's all brass.
Holy crap.
That's what I said. So, what I recommend you do is just kind of... You're home all the time, you're retired.
Yeah.
So let me show you how to shut the water off. In case anything does blow, okay? You can come over here.
Oh.
Well, you know,
right.
you're going to talk in thousands and thousands of dollars to change. You turn this valve to shut off the water.
This way?
Yeah, clockwise. Yeah, like a clock.
All right, this way it's open.
Open, yeah. So if,
this way.
yeah, you might have to put a rag on it if you can't turn it. But if anything ever does happen, you get a flood. Come downstairs and shut this off.
And they'll shut everything off?
That shuts the water off.
Okay.
Yeah, and see, you got another shut off over there, but I wouldn't play with that because you got lead coming in. See that shut off there?
Yeah.
Shut this one off if you have to.
Shut it this way and
Yeah.
shut all the water.
And then open them 2 valves in the sink down there.
Which ones? 2 valves?
Just remember, this is the shut off.
For all the water.
Yeah, if you start having a flood, shut it off.
Shut it off automatically.
Yeah, because you're talking a lot of work to change all this pipe.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not trying to
I know.
dodge you, but it's
Oh, I know. I'd rather have you come down.
what you call a shit show. Oh yeah, that's a real shit show. Yeah, it's a real shit show. Oh yeah, it is. All right, let me get her a bill. Get out of here. All right, guys, I just left that house. I talked to the homeowner. I talked to her husband. He's upstairs. He's kind of handicapped. And he used to work for the gas company, so he kind of knows what's going on. I told him all that brass piping. I mean, it's everywhere down there. It's all along the whole downstairs, all along up into the 2nd floor bathroom. I mean, it's everywhere. So I showed her how to shut the water off. They ain't gonna spend the money to rip all that out of there. They just ain't got it. I mean, they're both retired. She paid me for it. I just kind of patched that, cut the bad spot that was leaking out, and put a patch in it for her for now. I mean, what can you do? Start doing all kinds of work over there. Ain't gonna get paid for it. They do what they can. She needs a new furnace over there. I'm gonna call her back with a price on that. I think I quoted her a price for like 4 years ago, and the thing's still running. I mean, what a piece of shit. Unbelievable. That's what you call a shit show. Oh, I know it's a shit show. That's a shit show. Really bad. Well, do what you can. I mean, I'm no miracle worker. I can do so much. Patch and match, Mama. Patch and match.